welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We are doing an unboxing today. I haven't done an unboxing in such a long time. I feel like it's just, I'm so excited. I haven't done an unboxing in forever. Today's video is actually a collaboration with Succulentsbox. They are a website that has a bunch of really cool succulents for sale, really cool cacti for sale too. They have some rare stuff. Super awesome. They also have like a subscription service, which is super cool, and they sell some like plant accessories and like cute little pots. Super cute website. I definitely recommend that you go and check them out. I'll have them linked down below in my description box. I am an affiliate, so just to let you know, if you click and buy through my link, I will be earning some commission on that. They actually have a campaign going on their website where 2% of their proceeds are actually going to fight COVID and for the CDC Foundation. So that's like really, really cool of them. I really appreciate that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the box because it is so, I'm just so excited. They sent me a list of like the different plants that they were sending me, and I read like the first couple of them and I was like, no, I want to be surprised. I want to be surprised because they're just so cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I also forgot to tell you guys you can get $5 off your first order of your subscription box with the code 5OFF, or 10% off every order with the code HAPPYPLANT10. In the little card here, it also says that you can get 15% off your first order with the code LOVEPLANTS. So a lot of deals here, super cool. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, Succulentsbox, for giving us those codes because Lord knows that a lot of us are wanting some plants and all the plants online seem to be like crazy prices. Okay, so they were packed in there like super nicely. I think I got the majority of the packing peanuts out so I could actually take the plants out now. These plants are packaged like super cool. Like look, they're just like covered in bubble wrap. I've never seen packaging like that before. Oh my gosh! That is the cutest little thing ever! I think that it's pronounced a Carew Rose Lapidaria and then something with an M. It's a super cute little plant. I love it. The color of it is gorgeous. It reminds me of those like blue cacti that have like the powder on top of them, but like it kind of is giving off like a little bit of a pinky tinge. Super cute plant. Love that. I feel like it's gonna be hard to top that plant because that plant is so far amazing. So the next plant in here is an air plant, and the air plant is actually flowering. Do you see how cool that is? I'm kind of nervous because air plants are really difficult for me to keep alive. I don't know why. I tried getting an air plant one time, and after I like tried my best with it and it still ended up dying, I told myself I wouldn't buy another air plant, but this one is so pretty. I think I'm gonna have to consult my friend Charlie on how to take care of air plants because he has a ton of them and his look super awesome. So yeah, super cute little air plant here. Oh wow, that one is so cool looking. I think this is a kind of Haworthia, and I actually think that this is a Haworthia that I do not currently own. I have quite a bit of Haworthias, but like none of them really have this growth pattern. But look how cool! I love how it looks. It looks like a little green fire. Haworthias are probably one of the easiest succulents to keep alive. That's why I have so many of them. They are surprisingly one of the plants that don't need as much light as like a typical succulent, and that's not to say that they don't need light because I would not recommend putting this in like a bathroom with no windows or anything. But if you have light in your house that is equivalent to something that like a Hoya would like, this plant would be beautiful in the same environment as that. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I love it. It reminds me of a little porcupine. It's so cute. This string of pearls. I surprisingly, would you believe me if I told you that I didn't own a string of pearls? These are so cute to me. I've just always been so afraid. I've heard horror stories about string of pearls. Like, it seems like everybody has to try them like 3 or 4 times before they actually get it right. I think they're so pretty though, and I heard that their flowers smell very sweet and pretty. So super, super looking forward to taking care of this guy. Hopefully I don't kill it. This is definitely going to be a little bit of a challenge for me. I think I'm going to put her outside. She's so cute though. So this last plant is a ruby necklace. I've seen these for sale at local nurseries, but they're always in these like really big pots and they always charge so much for them, and it's again kind of scary to buy these because these are, I think, a similar care to like a string of pearls plant, but these plants are all so stinking cute. I love them. Definitely check out Succulentsbox. They have some really cool, harder to find succulents and harder to find cacti for pretty decent prices. Once again, I'll leave the different codes down in the description box as well as my affiliate link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am so happy that I was able to do another unboxing because I miss doing unboxings. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. And if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's going to be it for today's video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!